$1,000 place, fine china. Shorty like it.
Shorty like it.
Shorty like $1,000 plate, fine china. Tell her that she beautiful every day. I remind
her. And I'm back with another video, and I'm here with Fifi and Shaniko. Hey, you know the vibes, you know the vibes, you know the vibes. As you can tell by the tattoo, okay, we grown now. Facts, right? We grown. So we're gonna get our belly pierced or whatever, and you feel me? I thought that. I don't know if they can. Yeah, they can. That's it's like because the mic is closer to my mouth.
That's what she said.
Anyways, right? Yeah. So, facts. We about to go get our belly piercings. We about to go get our belly pierced because you know we just those bitches. Period. Fool. Nah. Nah, but yeah. And I felt like it was a good idea to do a first vlog and you know just show y'all who's the real gangster out of all of us. Which is me, because you feel me? I love needles, so facts. I'm the most. Alright, bro. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all channel's still up, right?
What?
Huh? Alright, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to Fifi channel with her nigga Johnny. You heard? I'm gonna put it in the description down below. And yeah, so when I get to the place or whatever, or we on a train or something, I'm probably gonna cut the camera back on or whatever. You know the vibes and la. Yeah. So okay. So. Oh shit! I thought you ended it. No, say. I'm gonna take that part out.
I'm not saying that shit.
So Fifi is about to get her first wax, y'all. You feel me? We new to the game. That's how we new to the game. We've been onto the game. Us two. And she new to the game. Yeah. So when we done, she gonna tell y'all her experience. But yeah, facts. We gonna catch y'all on the other side. Fifi. Look at your ear. Yo, oh, I'm dead, Shania. What was your wax, Fifi?
I don't know why. I'll let y'all convince me to do something. No, they ain't convince you, bitch.
Right, you the one who put it in the chat first. Right, you was like, oh, I want to get a wax and then love.
What I told you in the bathroom, I said, it's gonna hurt. It is bearable pain.
I thought you was a gangster. I thought you was getting rides to the place or whatever. It's like inside this nail salon. You feel me? It's like in the back of the nail salon. So yeah, I'm not gonna walk in there because I ain't these bougie people that can just walk up in here. I'm a little, but yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all while we getting it done. Is it even? Is it open? Oh, look up. I hope they ain't closed because then we have to go to the one down there. No, it's yeah. He off today? Yeah. I actually gotta go to this one down there. The first place we went to was closed, so now we are all the way downtown. And we have to go to the one down there. So we gotta find this place. When I get there, I'm gonna show y'all. So, the place, y'all. We legit found the place. We gotta wait for the guy to come upstairs to start with us. And then, you know, I feel like I'm gonna go first though, because I'm the real OG. I'm the real OG.
Yeah, even when you started acting like a fool, somehow I always end up falling back to you.
I'm up.
Use a cotton wool, don't use a toothpaste. Right? Use a napkin and put a little bit of salt water or vaccine. You can get either one, apply it. You're going to run like this out. Alright? Take a deep breath. You take a deep breath. Wait, I'm going to come. Deep breath. Hold it.
should've loved myself.